How to fix unrecognized database format error in MS Access. 1. Check and convert the MS Access database format. Hint, choose the Access 2000 or Access 2002 to 2003 database file, .mdb. Refer to the IMG above. 2. Roll back Windows updates, if you can. 3. Run 3 commands as admin. Reg add hkey _local _machine /system /current control set /services /LAN man server /parameters /v disable leasing /p reg _dword /d1 /f net stop server net start server 4. Rename the frxque32.mdb file at frxq directory. Locate then name the frxque32.tpl as frxque32.mdb. 5. Import data into a new MS Access database. Note, follow the on-screen wizards to complete the import process. 6. Repair your Access database.